All right, folks, welcome back from the weekend. Hope you had a good one. It's time to get after it. We got a lot going on this week, so let's get through it real quick. Markets in the overnight session, very quiet. S&P, Dow Jones, NASDAQ, all trading around break even here. So we're flat on the day as we head into that market open about an hour from now. Big movers this morning. Oil down 5%, WTI trading at $108 a barrel. And then when you look over at FX and the currencies, the big mover this morning is that dollar yen. Dollar yen trading up above or right at $124 as we speak at this current moment. That's about just over a 1% move in that currency. So some big moves in the dollar yen. What do we got this week? So again, like I said, big week, particularly on the data front. So we've got a couple earnings coming out over the next couple days, some big earnings reports, but really the big data points for the week are ADP jobs report coming out on Wednesday, and then we've got the big March jobs report coming out on Friday. Again, a lot of focus right now on strength of the economy and what does that mean for the Federal Reserve as we move forward. Are they going to get more aggressive in these rate hikes? So you look at these bond yields, we continue to see them march higher. 10-year Treasury up above 2.5% this morning. So continuing to see the 2-year, the 10-year, particularly continue to march their way up higher. So big week, folks. Hope you enjoyed the weekend. Let's get after it. Get in there, trade some price action. I'll see you folks again tomorrow.